In today's video, we're going to be looking at which robot you should be trading and which instruments you should be using. And furthermore, we're going to look at the results of decisions made using the process I'm going to show you in this video. It's important to use the information that is available to you to decide on which robot to use. Now, as you may know, I am mentoring Costa, who is a total beginner, and he's actually staying at our house, and I'm mentoring him about everything I know about Forex trading and especially robot trading. So this is also an update of the progress made by Costa's mentorship. Costa isn't here at the moment. He's got obligations to Ferrari that he has to comply with, but I'm going to make this video without him anyway. So how do you get information about a robot that you want to purchase or that you want to trade, and make a decision about what robot to use and which currencies to use? So I'm going to show you 3 sources of likely robot performance results that will guide you in these decisions. So firstly, we're going to be looking at some free robot optimization settings. Then we're going to look at some paid advanced robot settings. And then we're going to be looking at the link to success trading results. And at the end, I'm throwing in the most important thing is how to then convert that information into your own trading performance. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past. Okay, the first one, the free robot settings. And here we are on the expertforex.com website. And where you go is you go up here and you click on the up-to-date robot optimization results and settings. So we click on there and it will take you to a whole list of robots. This list that isn't complete. We've got a few robots missing, but it is good enough to give us a really good idea of what's happening. So here we have the robots sorted in profitability order, and how these robots are tested. They are all tested on $1,000 accounts using 100-to-1 leverage and over a period of 1 year. So that's how they are tested, and so they are comparable. So the idea behind this is to make the robots easy to compare. And here we have a list of the actual robots that are performing pretty well. And you can have a look at the list there. And you can also look at the actual results that have been obtained by these robots. So that's starting to answer the question, which robots should I use? Now then, if you want further information, now we're looking at the tradable RSI, you then click on this link. And it then answers the second question, which symbols or which instruments have performed the best? And there you can see the performance of some of the instruments. And some instruments don't perform well. So that's also handy information. Don't trade those. Trade the ones that are applicable to this particular robot. And then we also supply the set files, MT4 and MT5 set files that generated those results. Okay, for the next list of results, we go to the paid forum. Now, this is a paid forum. It's the Expert Forex Premium Forum. And what a paid web member would do is that they'd come to the benefit section and they'd find benefit 6, which is unique optimized set files. Now these are advanced optimized set files, and to get them we basically just click on that link there. Once clicked on that, we then go to the total settings database. And that takes us to the total settings database. And this particular service, why it's a paid service, is it does advanced optimization. It uses a very low leverage for everybody in the US and in Britain and all over the place. And it also uses unusual symbols and unusual markets. So it's not only the Forex market, it does crypto, it does index trading and metals, gold and so on. So this is where you come if you're a serious trader and you want to trade really advanced things, because look at the results that these instruments produce with the same type of robots. And now it'll be interesting if you look here, the same robots appear at the top. So now we're getting the answer to which robots should I trade and which instruments should I trade. And you can also see the optimized results as a result of those decisions. Okay, now we're on to the third source, which is actually the Link to Success service, which is a free website to go to. You can go to that and see the quality of our linked accounts and also a risk analysis of the linked accounts. So let me go down to show you that. So here we have a list of accounts that you can link to, and it's quite a long list. It goes on a bit like that, but what it does is it gives you, for instance, the monthly gains of certain of the accounts. But what it does also is it tells you which robots gets traded. So that's the Lucky Trader, and that's the RSI Liberator and Wave Liberator and so on, and the Grid Trader and the Simple RSI. So you can actually see which robots are being used by traders who list their accounts on our Link to Success service. So that is another guideline. So between those three guidelines, you should have enough information to tell you which instruments to trade and which robots to trade. And that's what I've done with Costa. We've gone through all of this and made a decision. Essentially, we've decided to go with the Make Money EA as a starter, but he has already created many other portfolios. Now, here's an extract of his Make Money portfolio. The details are available in the paid forum, full details, but here you can see in the last 12 days he has made a 40% return. So that is what he has learned from me in this mentorship program. He's learned how to squeeze as much out of a robot using sensible settings. So I'm very happy with the progress we're making, and you can see that this is not a flash in the pan. The results have been pretty good overall. And this shows the best result that he has now. So he now knows how to create the best results. That's what we're after. We want to find the instrument that's being traded, the robot that's being traded, and the settings used for that robot. And the settings, by the way, are also freely available in the paid forum. And here they are. You can see there's no open trades on this account at the moment. It's a real account. I'm trying to train him to use real accounts. They are sent accounts in the meantime, but the real accounts give you a good feedback. And he's made over 40% return. It says 17 days, but the account was actually sleeping for a lot. It's only started trading on the 15th. It's the 27th now. That's 12 days, and that's ignoring weekends. So Costa is over the moon. He feels like he's going in the right direction. We've identified the robots to trade, and there are a few others that we're going to be doing. So watch the videos. We're going to be trading a whole lot of really exciting other instruments and robots, and we'll be giving you feedback on those in future videos. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I've given you some ideas on how to decide which robot, which instrument you want to trade. Because the question that Costa asked me was, I'm here to make money. Tell me what your best robot is, your best performing robot. That was quite a fresh approach, because other traders would ask all kinds of, how does this robot work and all kinds of things. He's very basic. He wants to make money. This process is obviously leading towards that. As always, what you've seen today are exaggerated results, because some of them are only optimized. They're not real trading results. They are results that are achieved by experienced and talented traders. And don't expect these results to be guaranteed into the future, even if you copied the exact settings and use this exact robot and exact instrument that Costa uses, for instance. So I must stress that Forex trading is dangerous, and it takes years of experience to get to a point where you're only likely to make gains. Gains are never guaranteed in the Forex market, because the market can change overnight. Now, as always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first comment of the video. I look forward to some of your comments to tell me if you've ever used this approach. I'll be very interested to see, because it's such a common sense approach to selecting robots and selecting currencies. Just let me know, or do you have an even better way? So from me, Alex Deployer, and Costa in his absence at the moment, cheerio. Just a reminder to join our expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.